what I can use.
What are you doing?
Washing wires.
Oh, I was just going to use my hand.
How I use the cook.
Okay. Careful. Maybe not on his head, okay? Careful, it's slippery in there, he'll fall. Riot! You got fun?
I have a spoon. You got a spoon. I got a spoon.
No, he can't have a fork. Hey, he can't have forks.
This one went away, but that won't go away.
You guys.
We got
Knife? Really?
knife, really?
There's like 3 dishes in there and you guys gotta get them.